Hi friends, this is Tamara Rubin, tamararubin.com, let'ssafemama.com, and I am trying to get with the program and make a little video every day. This is hard for me because my kids interrupt every single thing I do, and like right now they're screaming in the background. So I'm going to talk to you right now about a few things that were brought to me by my friend Claire, and here's one. You can see, let's see. These will be up on the blog soon, but this says spode on the bottom. So this is a really great example of a horrible idea because usually it's the decorative elements, not always, but usually the decorative elements test positive for high levels of lead and cadmium. Cadmium causes cancer and is used in reds and sometimes yellows and oranges. And then cobalt is usually found in blues, and cobalt is also toxic. You can look up cobalt toxicity and cobalt poisoning. And so while in this case, this does not look like it was used very often, sometimes you see cups like this that are used a lot and the paint is worn. So that's quite concerning. Without the inside being painted, I always say, well, look and see what's on the rim and what's going to touch your mouth. And when you drink from this is the exterior decoration touching your mouth. But then once you kind of add interior decoration, all bets are off. Same goes for this little measuring cup, which is adorable. And I expect the levels on this are going to be quite high. However, one argument might be that, oh, well, I don't put stuff in the measuring cup for long. I only use it for dry ingredients or whatever. Yeah, okay, maybe it's not an issue because you're not putting hot tea or other hot or acidic beverages in here for extended periods of time, unless you pre-measure everything out for your recipe and then you have them sitting around. Personally, for me, I don't think it's worth the risk, especially again, since you've got red and the inside, which is also likely cadmium. I don't know for sure. It might be iron-based given this rust-colored pigment. So that's concerning. And then this is a saucer brought in by Claire. A lot of times this white center is going to be lead-free, but the edge is going to be high lead and then even higher lead on the decorations. That's what I generally find. And the back mark is also generally high lead. So the question is, can you not have the food touch the edges? I've gotten that a lot from readers said, oh, well, I don't let my food touch the edges. And I think that's a bunch of BS, because how can you put food on this plate and not have it touch the edges? And the concern here is eating something with salad, like with salad dressing or lemon or something hot like spaghetti sauce. Anything hot or acidic is likely to leach the lead faster. Okay, that's 3 minutes. tamararubin.com, let'ssafemama.com.